Tana. Go. No? Dad, come on. You always stop when the camera comes on. That's Hannah's kicking. She likes to do that. She's so silly. She's supposed to be getting tired for bed, but she's having too much fun. She is one silly girl. Yeah. Wow, now she's eating her feet. You eating your feet? Yummy. You thinking about it? Yeah. Nice.